There are many types of data used in data science, but some of the most common include numerical data, categorical data, and text data. Now, numerical data represents data in the form of numbers or the mathematical expressions. For example, if you were to collect the names of your customers along with the contact information, this would be a type of a numerical data. Categorical data represents the data that can be broken down into more general categories. For example, the category of the male includes all the people who are male, while the category of the female includes all the people who are female. Text data is exactly what it sounds like. Any piece of written information. For example, if you were to collect the order history of every customer, this would be a type of a text data.